how to find accessibility settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find accessibility settings on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok, and here you will find profile. Click on it, and then click these three lines here in the top corner, and here you will find settings and privacy. Click on it, and now just scroll down, and here you will find it, this one, accessibility settings. Just click on it, and as you see here you can manage it. Just manage anything you want. You can turn it off or on and go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.